guys, Instant Miner here, back with another Roblox video. Today we're going to see how to get the Jade crown and the Jade key. So, in order to get the Jade crown, I think you guys have to get the copper crown first, because, yeah, I think that's how it works. So, watch my other video on how to get the copper crown, and then you guys should be able to get the Jade crown. So if we go to my avatar, you guys can see that I have the Jade crown. You can see I have a lot of eggs. I was doing the 2018 egg hunt, but you guys can see that I have the Jade crown of bronze. So yeah, this is what it looks like right here. It's pretty cool. It's green. It's like the copper crown, but there's a Jade key and there's green on top. So we're gonna show you guys how to get that item. So this item, the Jade crown, is actually in Phantom Forces, which is actually insane because you wouldn't really expect an item to be in a first-person shooter game, right? But it is. So you guys want to go in the game and wait for it to load. You guys want to deploy, and you guys want to find a vending machine. This vending machine is on each map, so don't worry. And we're on the highway lot map, and the vending machine's in this building, not that one. So it's pretty easy to spot. You go up the stairs, and you should see, I think someone's here, but you should see this vending machine, right? Let's just see if there's anyone, because I think a lot of people are gonna go here, right? So you guys will see this. My personal when I go into the game is glitched because the whole thing's just white. But you guys will see a 5x5 grid. There's like squares that are lit up and squares that are just like black. So what you guys want to do is you guys want to go here to this website. If we just go here, you guys want to go to VALE puzzle solver. I will have the link in the description for this website because it helped me a lot. So you guys want to go to 5x5 and edit, double click that, and you go back to the game. So the squares are actually like opposite. So imagine the circles that are white here are black. So imagine this whole thing is black right now, right? So if we get this, if the circle's like not there, it's actually white. So yeah, so you guys want to match it up with that, with the thing, and you guys want to, so mine is just all white, so we're gonna get rid of every single circle for me, and there we go. And then you guys hit solve, and you guys should see this. So the green squares are where you're supposed to shoot it. So I know that there's some over here. There we go. So I got it because it's glitched, but you guys should just hit every single green square right here and on the thing, on the vending machine, right? So when you get, it says you obtained the Jade key. After that, you guys can go to your weapon loadout, and you guys can go to melee, and you guys should have the Jade key. It's actually cool because it's you can actually use it in the game. It's actually like a melee weapon, which is awesome. So it's actually ranked 10,000, which is insane. I've been playing with this Jade key. It's actually pretty cool. It's pretty good. So after that, you guys want to go to this map. So this map is like the map with the trees, with the houses, you know, like the neighborhood. So what you guys have to do, I'm like out of breath. You guys want to get your Jade key, right? And you guys want to go in the middle. So this is the middle, I think. And you guys want to go to this blue house right here. It's right beside the tree house, and you guys want to go to the second. Oof! I don't want to die. You guys want to go to the second floor here and smack this door, and you will be teleported to another world. I just died right there. So you guys will be teleported to this world. It's a random Roblox game. I don't know if you guys can find it, but it is cool. So it's basically like a zombie shooting thing, I guess. And in the bottom left corner, you can see there's round 1, and you have to kill 15 zombies. There's seven rounds, so it's pretty easy. So you guys, I get started with a shotgun and this really cool gun. I don't even know if it's in Phantom Forces, which is awesome. So you guys will see that. I think, yeah, you can also kill them with your knife, but I think it's better just to get the shotgun because like it instantly kills them. So yeah. Let's just do it. So yeah, it's pretty easy, right? So it won't really take you that long, but like when it gets to like 4 or 5 rounds, there's so many zombies. Okay, almost finished with this round. Let's just kill these. So when you kill the right number of zombies, all the other zombies that are still there will just die. So it's pretty cool. So yeah, let's use this gun instead. It's like an assault rifle. It's pretty good. And also use the knife because I think it also insta kills them if you're reloading something. Like, see this? But it's like you don't want them to hit you because look, if you see in the bottom right corner, you guys can see I have like 70 health or something. So you guys don't want to die, right? I don't even know what happens when you die. Do you have to do this like the thing over and over again? What I like to do is just I like them to be in a line and I just get my assault rifle and then I just shoot them with this. So many kills. There you go. Round 3. Let's just quickly reload. You know, you have infinite ammo, so you guys don't need to worry. Let's just reload all my guns. Yeah, you know, always reload your gun. This is a good idea. Okay. 14 rounds. Good. Die, Mr. Person. I would actually really like to have a zombie mode in in Phantom Forces because that would be really cool. Let's just kill them. Go. Oh, there's people behind me. Jump. When there's a lot of zombies behind you, just jump. You know, it'll really help. Oh, oof, oof. Okay, let's just get this guy. Oh, okay. I'm almost dead though. Okay, I only have 40 health. Come on. I really don't want to die. High school student die. One more zombie. Wait, where's the zombie? Okay, there you are. Let's just die. There we go. Reload. Okay, only like 3 more rounds to go. Well, actually 4 because we have to do this. We have to do this round as well. So 4 rounds left to go. Okay. Good. This is pretty easy. Oh gosh, I didn't even see you, dude. No, I'm reloading. Let's get my assault rifle. Or whatever this gun is. I don't know if it's assault rifle. Oh, get off me. Get off me. I'm reloading. Just leave me alone, you stupid zombies. Wait, I shouldn't have said that, right? Now they're angry because I called them stupid. Haha, you suck. Wait. Now feel the wrath. Feel the wrath. Oh. Oh my god, all of them are dead. Now we have to kill 35 zombies. That's insane. Okay. 34 zombies now. Oh. Okay, that was not too bad. Oh, no. Die. Wait, let's actually throw a grenade. Here, take that. I think you can kill people. Oh, I just killed so many. Reloading. Get off me. High school students. High school zombies, I mean. Let's just throw a quick grenade. Die, fools. Oh, holy crap. Look how many zombies there are. That's insane. Okay, only 2 more rounds to go, including this round. So there's 2 rounds. Let's reload. Good. Okay. The shotgun is not really the best gun. I don't know. I think the shotgun is probably the best gun to use in this zombie mode. Oh, no, I'm reloading. Get off me. No. I just jumped on his head. Come on. Oh my god, what if I throw a grenade? I don't have any grenades left. Dang it. Die. Holy, I just jump. I think that's, come on. No. Okay, I think we have enough bullets. There we go. Reload. Okay. Last round. Ooh, are we gonna survive? We have 100 health, so yeah. Here goes nothing. Okay. It's pretty easy, I think. Yeah. Like, if you played Phantom Forces or any first-person shooter game, you should probably be able to do this on your first try. I actually, when I did this on my like first time with like when I didn't record this, I actually died and I had to do the whole process again. I don't remember like how I think when you die, I think you're supposed to do the wave again. So, or restart the whole thing again. So yeah. Okay. Oh, so many zombies. Oh. Look how many kills we got. We get like 50 million. Just kidding. Oh. Come on. Oh, crap. I didn't see you there. Let's go ahead. I think we got this guy. Oh my god. There we go. We did it. Congratulations. You have solved the second clue and earned your well-deserved reward. You are one step closer to completing this adventure. Continue the adventure. So, when you cleared all the 7 rounds, you guys can go back to your avatar, and you guys should have the Jade crown, which is awesome. Look at that. So, yeah. If you guys enjoyed this video, please hit that like button. Also, if you learned something from this video, hit that subscribe button and also hit that notification bell to be notified every single time I make a video. But anyways, guys, bye!